Welcome to the Elite Economizer, your ultimate guide to breaking free from the poverty programming that's been holding you back. I'm your host, and in today's eye-opening video, we're going to explore the powerful concept of programming and how it affects your financial life. But before we dive deep into this life-changing content, do me a favor, stick around till the end of this video. You're about to discover the keys to financial freedom, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. Have you ever wondered why people's behaviors seem to align perfectly with their programming? It's a fascinating phenomenon that we'll delve into today. You see, our actions are often a direct result of the subconscious programming that runs in the background of our minds. So let's embark on a thought experiment. Imagine your mind as a supercomputer. Got it? In this analogy, you have both your subconscious mind and your conscious mind, just like a computer has its hardware and software. Now consider this. Every computer needs an operating system, right? An operating system is like the brain of the computer, telling it what software programs it can or cannot run. The catch is most of us didn't get to choose our operating system. It was determined by the cultural, hypnotic, and societal mechanisms around us. The schools we attended, the churches we went to, our parents, peers, media, and more. This collective influence shaped what I call the failure operating system. But here's the kicker. Just as a computer with a failing operating system can only run failure programs, so can we. And that's where we often find ourselves stuck, unable to achieve our financial goals. What's even more intriguing is that our subconscious and automatic minds play a pivotal role in this programming. It controls around 90% of our actions without us even realizing it. Before we delve deeper into reprogramming your mind for financial success, don't forget to subscribe to the Elite Economizer if you find this content valuable. Your subscription not only ensures you stay up to date with our empowering insights, but also connects you with a community of like-minded individuals on the path to financial freedom. So, how do we break free from this cycle of poverty programming? To understand this better, let's revisit the analogy of the computer operating system. Just as it takes time and effort to uninstall an old operating system and replace it with a new one, reprogramming our minds is a journey that demands patience and intentionality. Remember, our automatic mind governs most of our actions beneath the surface. It's like an invisible hand shaping our financial destiny. And this is where the magic happens. The moment you recognize your programming and its source, it's not just your genes or upbringing, it's the cultural, hypnotic, societal mechanisms that have influenced you. Now here's a revelation. You weren't born with these ideas. You acquired them from external sources. So before you blindly follow any belief, ask yourself, where did it come from and does it serve my financial goals? Your programming might be holding you back from realizing your full potential. Consider this. The media, movies, and even superhero narratives play a significant role in our programming. Have you ever noticed how many superhero stories depict successful characters as flawed or even evil? It's a subtle message that associates wealth with negative traits. Take Superman, Spider-Man, or even Batman. Their stories often imply that success comes at a moral cost. Iron Man, for instance, may be rich, but his character often portrays narcissism and moral ambiguity. These narratives subtly influence our perception of wealth and success, leading to resistance when we encounter ideas that challenge this programming. In reality, wealth is a spiritual result, not merely a material accumulation. Money itself has no intrinsic value. It's the message and faith it carries that give it worth. Money is a means of communication, and like language, it's a spiritual concept. So why are we often programmed to be broke? The answer lies in control. A population that's sick, broke, misinformed, and fearful is easier to manipulate and control, and this is precisely why we need to question and reevaluate the programming we've inherited. Reprogramming your mind isn't an overnight process. It's like upgrading an operating system. It takes time, effort, and dedication. Start by becoming aware of your programming source and assessing whether it serves your financial goals. Here's where it gets exciting. You can reprogram your mind for financial success by introducing new beliefs and habits that align with your goals. It's a process that requires consistency and a willingness to challenge your old programming. One powerful strategy is to surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out mentors, books, podcasts, and online communities that promote financial empowerment. The more you expose yourself to these sources, the more your subconscious mind will begin to absorb and accept new beliefs. Let's take a moment to look at some real-life examples of individuals who've successfully reprogrammed their minds for financial success. People like Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, and Elon Musk didn't achieve their wealth by accident. They consciously rewired their thought patterns and behaviors to align with their goals. Understand that reprogramming your mind is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing the growth mindset, persistently challenging limiting beliefs, and developing positive financial habits. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a millionaire's mindset. In our quest for financial transformation, let's further explore the notion of reprogramming and how it can impact your life positively. You see, reprogramming is not just a one-time event, it's an ongoing process that requires commitment and continuous self-awareness. One of the most potent tools in reprogramming your mind is language. The words you use, both in your self-talk and when communicating with others, play a significant role in shaping your reality. Every word carries energy, and it's essential to be mindful of the language you employ when discussing your financial goals. Consider incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. Affirmations are positive statements that can help rewire your subconscious mind. By repeating these statements regularly, you're reinforcing new beliefs about your financial capabilities. Here are a few examples of powerful financial affirmations. 1. I am financially abundant and money flows to me effortlessly. 2. I attract wealth and prosperity into my life every day. 3. I am in control of my finances and I make wise financial decisions. Feel free to create your own personalized affirmations that resonate with you. The key is to use them consistently and with conviction. Reprogramming your mind also involves adopting a growth mindset. This mindset, coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, emphasizes the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort and dedication. With a growth mindset, you're more likely to embrace challenges, persist through setbacks, and see failures as opportunities for growth. In fact, failure can be one of your greatest teachers on the path to financial success. Instead of viewing failures as roadblocks, see them as stepping stones. Each setback provides valuable lessons that can lead to breakthroughs. Another crucial aspect of reprogramming your mind is setting clear financial goals. Without a clear destination, you'll find it challenging to navigate your financial journey. Your goals act as a compass guiding your decisions and actions. Consider using the SMART goal framework to define your financial objectives. Specific, your goals should be clear and well-defined. Measurable, you should be able to track your progress. Achievable, your goals should be realistic and attainable. Relevant, it should align with your financial aspirations. Time-bound, set a deadline to create a sense of urgency. For example, rather than setting a vague goal like, I want to be rich, you might set a SMART goal like, I will save $10,000 for an emergency fund within the next 12 months. Reprogramming your mind also involves investing in your financial education. The more you know about money management, investing, and wealth-building strategies, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Here are some highly recommended books to kickstart your financial education journey. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Reading these books and applying the principles they teach can be a game changer on your path to financial freedom. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is another key aspect of reprogramming. Seek out mentors, coaches, or friends who have already achieved the financial success you aspire to attain. Learning from their experiences and insights can accelerate your own growth. Consider joining financial communities or networking groups where you can connect with like-minded individuals. Sharing your goals and challenges with others who are on a similar journey can provide valuable support and motivation. The law of attraction is a universal principle that suggests that like attracts like. In the context of reprogramming your mind for financial success, it means that by maintaining a positive and abundant mindset, you'll naturally attract more opportunities and resources into your life. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to reprogram your mind. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for, including your current financial situation. Shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance can work wonders in changing your financial reality. Visualization is another effective tool for reprogramming your mind. Take time each day to visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine the details, how it feels, looks, and even smells. This mental rehearsal can help align your subconscious mind with your desires. To ensure you stay on track with your financial goals, establish a system of accountability. Whether it's a financial advisor, a trusted friend, or a journal where you record your progress, having a mechanism to track your journey can be immensely beneficial. As we conclude this exploration of reprogramming your mind for financial success, remember that transformation takes time and consistent effort. Embrace the power of language, affirmations, a growth mindset, clear goals, financial education, positive influences, gratitude, and visualization to rewire your subconscious mind. Now, it's your turn to act. Begin implementing these strategies into your daily life and watch as your financial reality gradually aligns with your newfound beliefs. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, and you've just taken that step by engaging with this video. Before we sign off, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this content valuable, and ensure you're subscribed to the Elite Economizer. By staying connected with us, you'll continue to receive empowering insights and join a community committed to financial transformation. Thank you for being a part of our mission to break free from poverty programming and embrace a future filled with financial abundance. Until next time, stay focused, stay positive, and stay determined on your path to financial success.